हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि इस पॉइंट का कोई रिबटल नहीं हो सकता, बट फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट इट्स अ एक्सट्रीमली गुड पॉइंट। एक आइडिया को रिजेक्ट करने के लिए उसको तर्क करके रिजेक्ट करनी पड़ती है। यू कैनॉट जस्ट से दैट वेल शी इज़ वन ऑफ दोज पीपल, इसीलिए आई एम रिजेक्टिंग इट। हिटलर भी वीगन था। हे हेलो व्हाट्सअप, आज को हम लोग एक वीडियो के ऊपर डाइव करने वाले हैं। ये मेरा माइक्रोफोन स्टैंड काफ़ी बार स्पार्क मार रही है, बट श्योर। एक वीडियो हम जो इंस्टाग्राम में मिले थे कुछ 4-5 महीने पहले, एंड लाइक उसके बाद से मैं नोट पैड पे चिपका के रखे थे, एंड फाइनली इतना दिन बाद मेरे को रिएक्ट करने का टाइम मिल रहा है। सो व्हाट इज़ दिस वीडियो अबाउट? वीडियो खोलने के पहले या किसके वीडियो है, क्या टॉपिक है, ये जाने के पहले आई विल जस्ट डायरेक्टली डाइव इनटू दैट टॉपिक, एंड उसके बाद हम वीडियो देखेंगे। शुड यू हैव कंपल्सरी अटेंडेंस इन कॉलेजेस? योर थॉट्स। कॉलेजेस मतलब फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 18+ पीपल, चाहे उसको तुम किड्स बोलो चाहे जो भी बोलो, 18+ जो कि लीगली एडल्ट माना जाता है, वो लोग को क्या कंपल्सरी अटेंडेंस रहनी चाहिए या नहीं रहनी चाहिए? मेरे को यही थॉट है कि नहीं रहनी चाहिए। इफ़ दे आर नॉट अटेंडिंग कॉलेजेस, दे आर नॉट अटेंडिंग क्लासेस, एंड आप इतना अच्छा पढ़ाई करा रहे हो कि वो लोग बाहर से इतना अच्छा पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकेगा, तो बेसिकली दे विल गेट लोअर रैंक्स। इफ़ योर lecture is interesting enough, people will go to your lecture, and that's kind of the thought that is being perpetuated without seeing what the video is about, without any context. Write your opinions that should colleges have compulsory attendance? लिख लो पहले। अब बात करते हैं वीडियो के बारे में। Let's get to the video. This is the influencer we are talking about. This influencer is one of the influencers that make content about men's right. Men's right के बीच बीच पे ज़्यादातर he makes content about red pill, and फिर से men's right पे जंप करता है, फिर से red pill के ऊपर जंप करता है, फिर से men's right पे जंप करता है। Like there is not a single video that I can agree 100% with him, but there are certain videos that are kind of touching the correct points. Well, you know that, right? A broken clock shows the correct time twice a day. सबका अंदर कुछ ना कुछ अच्छाई होती है, and we should see the अच्छाई of people, right? Hitler भी vegan था. There is one more influencer involved in this, and I'll also introduce
to
her.
attend classes.
अच्छा चुप हो जाओ. This lady's Instagram is the awkward goat. I believe that's her Instagram. अरे भाई what the okay. Awkward goat 3. This is her Instagram. This is the influencer we are talking about. So this is like one of the Avanti like influencers. She's one of those NRIs who kind of focuses too much about the therapy and stuff. Not gonna lie, but I do feel that it is kind of disconnected with reality. Hi, editing Dipkin here. I do not want to be misconstrued, so here's the thing I'm saying. I'm not saying therapy is unnecessary or something like that. I'm just saying routinely therapy or routinely mental checkup is a privilege that majority of Indian doesn't have, both in terms of availability and also in terms of monetary resource. And even if you talk about the 2016 legislation that गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स पे भी मेडिकल चेकअप दिया जाएगा, मेडिकल असाइलम्स पे जाके देख सकते हो, देयर आर बिग एस लाइन्स, एंड डू यू थिंक दैट majority of middle class Indians can afford waiting hours in line for a medical practice that have to continue for a quite a long amount of time to see results? Which the answer is not. Majority of Indians cannot afford it. In fact, like, it's not only about mental health. Like, there are rich people who goes uh, every 6 months to check up their whole bodies, does this MRI and shit like that. Like I have this uncle जो like हर 6 महीने पे full body checkup कराने जाती है, and their whole medical insurance covers this. But majority of Indian का अगर बोलो कि they should do this, I don't think it's a thing that they can afford. Therapy, I'm not saying this is unnecessary. Indians do go to therapy when it is absolutely necessary or when they are absolutely in the brink. It becomes kind of tricky when you say that Indians should generally do routine checkup of their brains and go and talk with the practitioner. She made a video on the Bear vs Mintu. What the fuck? So basically speaking, her videos are mostly logical. कुछ जगह में I do feel that she kind of loses touch of reality, and that's the only places I do not agree with her. For the most part, I do. Okay, चलो वीडियो देखते हैं अभी. पर वीडियो किस बारे में है? वीडियो उस बारे में है जिस बारे में हम ये वीडियो शुरू किए. It's about colleges and compulsory attendance.
Force grown-up adults to attend classes. Is your teaching so bad that people wouldn't attend classes unless you force them?
Good point.
What does that say about the quality of our education system? They're already testing our education and knowledge during the exams. So why are marks allotted to attendance?
Absolutely good point. हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि इस पॉइंट का कोई रिबटल नहीं हो सकता, but for the most part it's a extremely good point. This guy absolutely disagrees for no reason whatsoever, because you can see the reply to this video.
That explains a lot about the pointless things you spew out of your mouth under the name of
I'm a psychologist.
For the first time I've seen a therapist that needs an actual therapist. Seriously, can someone figure out whether she's even qualified enough to be a therapist on social media or not?
What?
Because it's pretty concerning now.
Okay, that's the video. That's it. That's fucking it, dude. Like the whole video is ad hominem, right? Like इस वीडियो का टाइटल दिया हुआ है also why does her smile gives me the Joker from Akram Asylum vibes. What the fuck is Akram Asylum? But sure, whatever, right? Like the whole video is ad hominem. There is not a single point to this video. Not a single good arguments made against whatever she's saying. Like I would not have made a reaction of this video if अगर ऐसे comments नहीं होता तो हम reaction नहीं बनाते. Okay, this is my comment सबसे ऊपर. Hey man, just ad hominem isn't a good argument. What's your counterpoint? What's wrong with what she said? Do you think attendance should be compulsory despite of the bad teaching qualities of teachers? This is the मेरा main argument about his video. You see, like whoever is commenting under his video is saying that bro, you are hating right now. You are not making a single good point in this video. But her questions still kind of remain unanswered. The concept of attendance affecting your grades when the real thing that needs to be judged is the quality of your education. Good point. Actually, what's pretty concerning is that you hate women and that you are shouting about it. Yeah, he does hate women, but also hate her more. I think that the both points are true at the same time. She was actually correct in this video, bro. You are just hating now. The comments of his videos are gems, and that's the reason I started to react on this video. I mean, there are several teachers don't even teach, and at the point attendance के चक्कर में time waste हो जाता है, which you can judiciously use it for studies. Good point. Finally got the gem of the comment. So what was the main comment? She was actually correct in this reel. Bro is just hating now. इसका answer में he just पेलो this much amount of comment. Like इतना line पेल दिया बस एक line के लिए. But sure, let's break this down. Two things. One, I hate her overall opinions on anything. She is just another misandrist. Okay, let's break this down. Let's break the first point down. I hate her overall opinions on anything. Do you know what is that example of? That is an example of where is the book? This is the book of logical fallacies, and that is the example of genetic fallacy. Genetic fallacy क्या होता है? When you instantly consider an opinion or an idea or a view to be correct or wrong based on its origin. अगर कोई फेमस लोग का कुछ बोला हुआ स्पीच आप इंस्टेंटली सही मान लेते हो, या कोई पर्सन दैट यू डिसलाइक इन योर बबल, इन योर इको चैम्बर, एंड उसका आइडियाज आप डायरेक्टली नकार देते हो, उसको झूठ बोल देते हो, दैट्स एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ जेनेटिक फैलेसी. एक आइडिया को रिजेक्ट करने के लिए उसको तर्क करके रिजेक्ट करनी पड़ती है. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट से दैट वेल शी इज़ वन ऑफ दोज पीपल, इसीलिए आई एम रिजेक्टिंग इट. एंड लेट्स डाइसेक्ट द सेकेंड पार्ट. she is just another misandrist. Is she? Is she a misandrist? What is a misandrist? Misandrist is somebody who hates men in general. I do not think so, and it's a subjective opinion. अगर आपको लगता है कि हम गलत बोल रहे हैं, आप एक एक वीडियो उनका देख सकते हो. That does she hate men? If you think, well, she doesn't, then it would be your subjective opinion too, and he has the right to believe whatever he wants. But वो जो believe करते, that does not really matter. But when his opinions drastically gets biased upon anything that a person he dislikes makes upon, that is a concerning thing. He is not only just unconsciously biased, which we all are, but he is also creating this bubble of echo chamber जहाँ पर like whatever people who somewhat represent to be a feminist say is instantly cancelled or rejected. This is the pinnacle of echo chamberism that you can find in any internet. Like that's the reason his comment section of this video are gold. Second, he writes, I agreed on some points in general, my views are different. It is necessary for college to allocate some marks because that's how they ensure that people are attending the lectures. Well, do you know a other way to ensure that students attend the lectures? Make the people who are teaching the lectures, that is the teachers or the professor or the lecturers, to give better lectures. That's how you ensure better attendance. Not make the students give the attendance, not make the students come to class and do nothing. Rather, make the teacher make a interesting lecture. Teacher को अपने सब्जेक्ट को अच्छा बनाने बोलो. टीचर को इंटरेक्टिव वेज अपनाने बोलो जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स लोग अच्छा से सीख पाए. That's how you make better attendance at your college. And I personally have a very strong opinion about compulsory attendance because college के बात तो छोड़ ही दो. Let's talk about my 10th and 12th. मेरा 11th 12th के टाइम पे कोविड चल रहा था, so I did not have to go to school in 11th 12th. 19th एक स्कूल में हम पढ़ते थे and 9th पे मेरा कुछ attendance था 70% and there was a new school I went in class 9 and I was liking the environment there. And 10th पे जब हम उठे, what happened, there was this new principal who made this fucking 75% compulsory attendance in school. By the way, that was cool, and she is talking about colleges, but I'm talking about my anecdotal experience that I had. Okay, so do you know my attendance at class 10th? It was 12%. It was 12, yeah. And last पे principal बोली थी कि नहीं तुमको 10th हम पास नहीं करने दे रहे हैं. And yeah, finally dad got my back, but yeah, sure. Basically, when you force anybody, especially me, I kind of become super defensive to break that law. When you make something a law, there are people like me who want to break the law. You know what I'm saying? And that's my opinion about this video. तो मैं चले चलता हूँ. Bye for today. आपका opinion आप comment section पे दीजिए. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
मैं यही था यहीं पे मौत के बाद है जन्म, जन्म के बाद है मौत. तो कैसा अफसोस, ये रोज का काम. मैं अभी हूँ यहाँ और कल मैं तुझ में, शायद तू मुझ में. थिंक सो, ये भी ये करना वो भी ये करना, पहले एक जगह पे टेक लो. रेडी टू डाई, हाँ तभी तो मौत को करा कंट्रोल में. शुरू से काम पे सीरियस, माइक पे आके हम बातें नहीं छोड़ते. एक्सेल पहनता शो पे मचा के खाता मैं पैनकेक. गले में माँ का पेंडेंट, सेमी माँ पे सभी के हैंड रेज्ड.